In this video, we're going to be checking out unions, what they're for and how they're different than an interface. A union can be used to define a distinct type that is a combination of types into one combined union type. So what's the difference between an interface and a union? So an interface describes the shape of an object, what kind of properties, methods, and events an object should have. Unions, on the other hand, just combine different types into a single type, allowing you to have flexibility. So now we've done this really short introduction of what it is, let's go and check out a union in the real world. So let's start with a basic example, and then we'll use unions alongside interfaces, which you've also learnt about. Let's say we have an employee. Now in the old system, the employees were 1, 2, 3, and a letter. Hey, if you're hearing my voice right now and you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If this video is really helping you out, click the like button. All right, back to the rest of the video. So here we have an interface now that uses iEmployee, and we have our name, age, employee ID, and verified. And then we're using a function here to essentially call this. So then we can just do like const new employee equals employee. And then we just pass in all the information here. So name, James, age, say 4, employee ID would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then verified we'll set to true. We hit save here. We have this, but our employee ID can only be a string. So if I copy this down and say old employee, and then we change this to a number, so 1, 2, 3, 4, we'll get this error message that employee ID must be a string. It's not assignable to type string. So what we can do here is we can actually use this union right here. So we can say string pipe and then number. And now we get no errors on either of these, but they can both be used as needed. Now you know what a union is. Why don't you give it a try and let me know in the comments what you want to learn about TypeScript.